Hey, have you been thinking about getting trained in Botox? I'm Dr. Gigi Meinecke, Facial Injectables Program Director at the Boston University School of Dental Medicine, and I also teach injectables nationally. And I'm super stoked to be returning to Texas at the Southwest Dental Conference in August. If you've been thinking about adding tox in your practice, this is the course for you. I'll be offering a Botox certification course that's tailored to the Texas licensed dentist. In the morning didactic session, you'll get the most accurate and updated tox information and instruction. The anatomy that you have to know in order to deliver these treatments safely and accurately, dosing and protocols that are 100% rooted in science and conform to the community standard. And then in the afternoon session, you'll have one-on-one faculty-guided instruction during the patient treatment segment. Unlike so many other treatment or diagnostic advances in dentistry right now, incorporating tox into your practice doesn't require a loan application and then getting a piece of expensive equipment that's obsolete in 5 years. In fact, incorporating tox into your practice is surprisingly affordable. And you probably have all the major equipment you need to deliver these treatments in your office already. So if you have been thinking about getting trained in tox, this is your opportunity. And I hope to see you in August at the Southwest Dental Conference in Dallas.